The purpose of this video is to warn you. You must know that lenders have always been cautious when it comes to approving mortgages, but some brokers have noticed that even the odd gambling transaction is now viewed as a red flag. Whatever country you live in, if you are trying to, or hoping to get a mortgage, there are standard criteria that the lenders, banks, financial institutions use to assess your application. Typically, borrowers will be judged on a range of factors, including their income, age, credit utilization and payment history, when they submit a mortgage application. The exact requirements to be approved for a mortgage can vary depending on the lender. Broadly speaking, these requirements are meant to assess your suitability and affordability for the mortgage. And if your transaction history contains betting information, even an amount as low as $5 or £5, this could raise a red flag on your application and cause your application to be declined, essentially stop you from accessing that mortgage. This is irrespective of whatever amount of cash deposit that you may have available to put towards the mortgage. Cases are now declined even where applicants have separate accounts for placing bets on sport event like a game of soccer at the weekend. It is reported that 1 in 4 people worldwide have tried gambling at some point in their lives. The thrill, social interaction, and sense of escape it offers keep many coming back for more. Currently, the top 10 countries with the biggest gross annual gambling losses are United States with $116.9 billion losses, China with $62.4 billion losses, Japan with $24.1 billion losses, Italy with $19 billion losses, Australia with $18.3 billion losses, United Kingdom with $18 billion losses, Canada with $2.4 billion losses, Germany with $11.2 billion losses, France with $10.4 billion losses and Spain with $8.9 billion losses. People engage in betting or gambling for all sorts of reasons. Majority of people do it for fun, as part of social enjoyment and leisure. And they do so with really small amounts of money, like using $5 to place a sports bet. Problem is that the temptation to place a bet in sport, even a small one, is everywhere. Whether you are a sports enthusiast or not, whenever you take occasional glance at the TV screen or at a handheld device when a game of sport is on, chances are that you will see at least one tantalizingly inviting ad telling you to sign up for a free bet, to place a bet and make some quick buck. And lots of people do make more than a quick buck from sports betting. Other people make losses. You may be thinking that you are placing a small harmless bet on a game of sport, or that you know the team you support is definitely going to win at the weekend, so you place just one bet. If you are serious about getting a mortgage application approved for you at some point, then I will advise you to think again. That one harmless sports bet could actually scupper your chances of getting a mortgage. Gambling transactions can be questioned by the underwriter, or in some cases can be a straight decline with no grounds for appeal. So what can you do to protect yourself? 2 things. Know the bets that could cause you an issue and know what the gambling policies of the lenders are. It is habitual spending on betting that raises most concerns with lenders, even if applicants can easily afford how much they want to put down as collateral. This applies to you even if you do sports betting as a hobby and the amount that you spend is not excessive in relation to your income. Your mortgage application will most likely be declined even where you are not under financial pressure and can maintain the level of spending on the betting habit. You need to be aware that underwriters will review your bank statements when you apply for a mortgage, and gambling transactions are likely to be questioned. If the number of transactions seen through your account are considered to be excessive, this could lead to your mortgage application being declined. It is not necessary for lenders to clarify what their tolerance level for gambling is. The onus is on you as the borrower. In relation to gambling or betting habits, lenders tend to assess mortgage applications on a case-by-case basis. Finally, it is most important that when seeking a mortgage, you study and understand properly the lender's gambling policies. This will save you a ton of headaches. If you have ever had a negative or a positive experience where the lender questioned your betting habits that showed up on your transactions, do share the experience by dropping a comment below, so others can learn. And if you have advice on how to successfully navigate the hurdle and not get caught by the lenders, drop the advice here in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more exciting and informative videos.